If you're experiencing issues with Roblox voice chat not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Go to your device's sound settings and confirm that the microphone is set as a default recording device. Step 2. Adjust Roblox settings. Open Roblox and navigate to the settings menu. Check the voice chat settings to ensure that voice chat is enabled. Make sure your microphone permissions are granted for Roblox. Step 3. Update your device. Ensure that your operating system and drivers are up to date. Check for any available updates for your device, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues with voice chat. Step 4. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be affecting the voice chat functionality. Step 5. Test with another game. Try joining a different game on Roblox that supports voice chats. This will help determine if the issue is specific to a certain game or if it's a broader problem with your voice chat feature. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the voice chat issue in Roblox. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.